I have the perfect Valentine's Day recipe for you to share with your special someone. Today I'm going to be making chocolate dipped strawberries, but they will be made extra delicious because I'm going to be using our Happy Way triple chocolate fudge protein powder. So for this recipe, all you'll need is about a 1/4 cup of the Happy Way cacao powder, a teaspoon of the triple chocolate fudge protein powder. I'm using vegan and I suggest to use a vegan protein for this recipe. I've got a few strawberries here. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. I've got a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and then I've just got some white chocolate chips which I'm going to melt. So to make it, what you do is chuck your powders, your maple syrup and your coconut oil into a bowl and whisk it until it resembles a melted chocolate. From there, you're going to dip your strawberries into the mix and then pop them in the fridge to set. Once the chocolate is set, you're then going to melt your white chocolate chips and drizzle that over the top.